key in. Try to start, nothing happens. The steering wheel. Error message. Unable to disengage. Unable to shift out of park. And temperature 58 degrees, which is wrong, of course. Again.